The turn of the millennium was an exciting time for internet technology. With the click of a button, a user could send an instant message, download a song, or install a faster web browser. But can a single click to download software bind a user to an arbitration clause? The United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit addressed this issue in the 2002 case of Specht versus Netscape Communications Corporation. Christopher Specht and others used Netscape Communicator, a free internet browser. After initiating Communicator's installation on Netscape's web page, a license agreement appeared on screen. The users needed to click the Yes button to agree to the terms before completing the installation. The agreement noted that any disputes regarding the agreement were subject to binding arbitration in California. Specht and the other users also installed Smart Download, a separate software plugin to enhance Communicator's browsing functions. Communicator's license agreement didn't mention Smart Download. Unlike Communicator, Smart Download didn't require assent to the plugin's license agreement. The web page instead showed a download button. The page also contained a request visible only by scrolling down that asked users to review and assent to the terms of the agreement. Smart Download's agreement also contained an arbitration clause. The users assented to Communicator's agreement, but not Smart Download's. Unbeknownst to the users, Smart Download transmitted to Netscape the web page of each of the users' downloaded files. Specht brought suit against Netscape in federal district court, alleging privacy violations and fraud. Netscape moved to compel arbitration and state court proceedings under the Federal Arbitration Act. Netscape argued that all disputes related to the Smart Download license agreement were subject to the agreement's arbitration clause. The federal district court denied Netscape's motion. The court found that Netscape's web page didn't alert users to the terms of Smart Download's license agreement and didn't mandate the users to manifest assent to the terms as a requirement to download the software. Netscape appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit.